The COVID pandemic changed the game faster than what brands or businesses could have ever imagined. We presume the pandemic forced physical distancing will continue for long. Towards that, we have come up with an online queue management solution for various business use cases. This application will boost customer adoption and confidence, thereby bringing more visitors or shoppers to the business or retail shops. At the same time, it will help the businesses to manage the safety of customers as well. The Hold My Place application works in both web and mobile simultaneously and helps visitors to easily book slots against a particular store. Next, we will demo how the Hold My Place app works for a user in the retail shopping experience. On launching the application, the user is taken to a screen where he can search for stores either by clicking on the Stores Near Me option or by searching the outlet using outlet name, city, state or zip code. The search results provide a brief information of each store and the user has option to check for available slots of a store, add a store to favorites and get the driving directions to a store. The check availability option will list all the available slots for the next 7 days. After selecting a slot, the user moves to the booking confirmation screen where he enters the email ID for confirming the booking. Upon confirmation, the user is shown with the booking details along with the confirmation number and a QR code. These details are sent to the user's email as well. The booking process can be completed by a guest or by a registered user. As a guest, the user can quickly pick a slot and confirm, while registered users have additional features like add to favorites, view booking history, and other functionalities that provide a richer user experience. This completes the booking process. The In-Store Concierge app provides a simple and quick interface to verify the bookings, check in the visitor, as well as keep account of visitors arriving and exiting the store. A shop concierge confirms the booking either by scanning the QR code or by keying in the confirmation number to retrieve the booking details. Once the store concierge clicks on scan, the QR code is scanned to receive the corresponding booking details. Now, the store concierge can either check in that visitor or cancel his appointment. Once the check-in is confirmed, the available capacity of the outlet will be automatically updated. For those users who visit as a group or without a prior booking, Concierge has the option to manually enter the account by clicking on the plus button. Similarly, Exit Concierge has the option to keep the count of the visitors exiting the store by clicking on the minus button. This is to keep track of the current capacity inside the store going beyond a predefined limit. This functionality can also be integrated with any foot traffic API, which will pass in the number of shoppers entering and exiting the store and will avoid the need of manual entries by the shop concierge. Several other integrations are also possible with staff scheduling, receiving order management, curbside pickups, facility management, and much more, which are planned for future phases.